In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, diakinesis is the final stage of prophase 1 in meiosis, where the chiasmata move to the terminal ends of the chromosome. That is, terminalization takes place. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, packeting is the stage where crossing over occurs, and that is facilitated by the recombination nodules on the synaptonymal complex. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, zygote is a stage which is characterized by the pairing of the homologous chromosome, that is synapsis, during which synaptonymal complex forms. Thus, C matches with 1. And during leptotin, chromosomes start condensing and appear as thin thread-like structures. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option A.